Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to set lock screen password on your Redmi Android phone. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to on your Redmi Android phone. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings right here. And this is going to open up. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to security and privacy. Click on it. And it's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down again and then go to device unlock right here. Click on that. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to screen lock. Click on that. Then right here you have so many options by which you can use to lock your Redmi Android screen. And the next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we choose password right here. So having choose password, you'll be asked to set a password. So you have to set 4-digit number that you can always remember. Each time you want to have access to your Redmi Android phone, click on next. Then retype the lock screen password. Then click on confirm. Then how do you want the lock screen to display? Show all notification content. Show sensitive content only when lock screen. Don't show notification at all. So this depends on how you want your lock screen to display some of the information right here. So I'm going to leave it in show all notification content and click on done. And you have password lock screen right here. So by the time I exit from my Redmi right here and I try to dim it, so after some seconds, if I try to have access back to my Redmi Android phone, if I click on here, it's going to require password to log in. So if I swipe this way, it's going to ask me to enter password. I will simply enter the password that was set and hit on check mark right here, and we're back to my Redmi again. I can start using my Redmi Android phone. It's that simple. If I close it again and hold it again, it will require me to enter password. It's that simple. So each time you want to have access back to your Redmi Android phone, you'll always be required to enter your screen lock password. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Redmi Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.